As the sun rises over Prince Rupert, or somewhere above the clouds, over 200 city staff get ready to meet the challenges of a new day. But what do they do each day? The answer is a lot. City staff are responsible for the day-to-day operations of both visible and invisible services that make our community run. Everything from our pool and recreation facilities, to the pipes in the ground, to operating our landfill, to parks and playgrounds, to developing plans for the future, to providing emergency services. All are part of what we do. The work can be dirty and exhausting, but also rewarding. Some of our workplaces are quieter than others, and some projects are bigger than others. But everything we do is important to making this community a place people want to live, work, and play. We train hard, work hard, and play hard, all in service of the community we love. We've weathered some storms together, and now we're all striving to make Prince Rupert the best possible version of itself, for us and for tomorrow.